We came up here to drive a bootlegger's trail. 100 years ago it ran Canadian whiskey straight from the shoreline to Al Capone's operation in Chicago. The first shot of the trip, and my drone decided it needed a mud bath.
Landing.
Oh. Can't believe it didn't float. First trail of the Friday. And I freaking crashed my drone in the water. Land my drone in the water. And then I get reports from side by side that the trail isn't much better up north or up farther, so look at the mosquitoes, man. They are awful. I don't even care. I'm just leaving my shoes off. We figure out what we're doing. We camped on the Lake Superior shoreline that night. The mosquitoes didn't let up. I had bug spray. Ahsoka didn't. She got the camper. I got the sunset as I planned our route down the Bootlegger's Trail. We were up with the sun. The cold kept the mosquitoes down. Ahsoka and I walked the beach, her first time seeing Canada across the water. Then we pointed the truck toward the Bootlegger's Trail. Crap, we made it. That's cool. Imagine doing this if you were a bootlegger in the 1920s. Even have a Toyota 4x4 with 33-inch tires aired down to 15 pounds. This bridge is sketchy. Oh, get out. I know it's recently built. This trail is marked, but I'm a lot heavier in a side-by-side. And that's the end of the trail. Of course, the side-by-sides can make it around. The question is, can I? What's our choice? Turn around. Try this. I got the clearance. It's right here that scares me. Ain't no way I'm making it through that mess. Okay. Make sure the winch works. While we Oh, I don't know where I'm at now. Pretty high. Well, that was pretty sketch. Skeeters die. The people in the... I didn't even see the people in the side-by-side. They were just watching me as I crossed. Ugh. No damage, apparently. So on we go. The bootleg trail. That is something you don't see every day. Well, I guess you do. He was going back towards that bridge and that washout, and I stopped him. I said, you better turn around, because it's pretty nasty. You ain't making it through with that. I didn't make it. I'm surprised I made it through with this. She wouldn't get out of the truck without me putting a leash on her. Did I go to the bathroom or what? Pine Stump Junction. Bootleggers used to pull in here, trade information on where the feds were waiting. Now it's a rest stop. Gas, burgers, snowmobilers in the winter. We found something else. A couple, 1966. They got caught in a blizzard right here. We'd been frustrated about a drone and some bugs. We turned down the pavement, a half an hour to Newberry. The original jail cells are in the Historical Museum, one of the oldest buildings in town, which used to be the sheriff's office. The bootleggers spent some time in them. Newberry was a hub. Canadian whiskey moved through here by the truckload, but the people who lived here never tasted it. Too expensive. They drank stump juice instead. Moonshine, made from stump sugar, $1 a bottle. Newberry to the Straits. The bootleggers ran the same line south. Well, I think this trail pretty much has just died. Oh, now that I have a tree with me. I have a whole tree on my truck. Not just a branch, a tree. Pulled it right out of the ground. Ooh, look at this, others are back. Back in the truck. So we've made it to our destination. This is the Straits of Mackinac. Behind me, you might see the Mackinac Bridge. 100 years ago, that wasn't here. That wasn't built till 1957. From here, there'd be fast boats waiting for them to take the liquor across the straits or down to Lake Huron or maybe over Lake Michigan to Chicago. Once they got across, they'd get in trucks again and go out by trail or road, trying to blend in. Ahsoka and I would like to thank you for watching our video. If you like what you saw, maybe take a look at some of our other videos. While you're here, maybe give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you further on down the trail. Good job, butthead.